Welcome back to our new video after long time. Let's start. So today we are doing is how can we move the sprite and some more things. So this is sprite who we are moving. So for start the coding, first step we go to event section. This is the starting block. This is the green flag for run the code that we enter. We just click the block and drag to the coding area. After this we need to get the code that move the sprite. For that we go to motion section. We want to move, so this block do is move 10 steps, so we drag this block. After this code, let's run this code. For that we click the green flag. Sprite move 10 step forward, but we want to move more step. For that we click on the 10 and just enter 50. And start again and sprite move 50 step. We want to see like real walk. For that we go to costume section. Here is 2 costume for this sprite. For use that costume, go to look section and find costume block. Here is. We drag the block to here. And we run the code, and here we can see the changing of costume. One more time. We don't want to click every time to move. For that we go to control section. Here the block, this block do is this repeat the code for 10 times, so drag the code and put here. After do that we run the code. You see that sprite move, but sprite move very fast. Once again. For move slow we need to go control section and drag. Wait block. And start one more time. As you can see that sprite move like us. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you next time.